Good evening, everybody. Welcome back to my next video of the day. So we're talking about a severe weather threat going on in Texas right now. So there's an enhanced risk for today. Okay, we're going to check that out, okay? There is an enhanced risk today. And we're talking about tornadoes up here in Wisconsin. And significant large hail areas. I'll be out in a little bit, so we can see these areas of severe weather concern, okay? But we are especially looking for concern, not tomorrow, but day 3. Okay, this is a very concerning outlook. It's a very huge, it's a very huge enhanced risk. Okay, this severe risk includes 6 million people. Okay, 6 million people in this risk. There is a significant hatch risk area for these areas. So we're going to go check out the HF model here in a couple minutes. Then we're going to go over all the other models. And we're going to talk about the heat wave as well. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Let's go to our CAPE numbers. Okay, here we go. We're going to go into Wednesday. Okay, there's nothing a lot, but we're going to have to watch. We're going to go to Synfic. Okay, today's Tuesday. Okay, we're going to be watching. Let's take these both off for a minute. Okay. So we're checking out this look at this area of severe weather. It just lights up. Okay, we got dew points, significant wildfires. We got dew points in the mid to upper 70s out here. Okay, this is not good. Along the dry line, we got temperatures in the 70s as well. But a moderate risk could be issued by Thursday. Okay, this is what we're going to watch for. Okay, we're going to have to wait till Friday to see how moisture it gets. Okay. So Thursday is where that enhanced risk, okay, there could be a moderate risk in effect. Okay, there could actually be a moderate risk in effect for Thursday, okay. We are definitely watching this out for Thursday, and we're keeping an eye on this for Thursday, okay. Let's go to severe, let's go to surface-based CAPE, min-max, okay. We're checking out the CAPE again. Okay, we're going to go into Thursday. We're going into Thursday. Look at Thursday's CAPE doesn't look bad, but look at Wednesday's, okay? This looks bad, okay? We got plenty of CAPE, but actually, the weaker the CAPE is, the worse it's gonna be. I didn't even know that till now, okay? But there ain't that much CAPE to work with, okay? That's not good. That could spark a very big a big severe weather outbreak up here in the north, okay? Fargo and all them areas need to be on the lookout for severe weather this week. Okay. So we are watching this area for potential severe weather, okay? We're gonna go for wind bars. You can see we're watching this area. We're watching Thursday very closely, okay? There ain't a lot of CAPE. There is plenty of CAPE, but there's not too much. Because the CAPE it's gonna break. It's gonna break that day, okay? This is what we're watching for, alright? We're gonna brighten this up a little bit. Okay, we don't need to. Okay, there's that break. There's those upper 70s in here. It only gets worse. It hits into Illinois. But we're gonna find out what's gonna cause our, okay, we're gonna check out the shear. There is not a lot of shear. There is some, but not enough for severe weather. There is, but we are definitely talking about a lot of definitely talking about a lot of this. Okay, we are definitely talking a lot about this, okay? We're definitely talking about a lot of that. So we're going to start out as Tuesday, okay? So where that area of storms that are popping up as of right now is in that moist color. There is some thunderstorm activity down here in California, you can see. That's kind of weird. Oh my god. Get out of here. Okay, there's plenty of thunderstorm activity in California, but we are watching. We are watching this. Look at that. Yep, until Tuesday, there's plenty of Cape up here in Michigan. So that's where that tornado watch is in effect as of right now. And, we're just watching this whole thing, okay? But then we're going to go into Thursday. That's what it's looking like. And this is what it's looking like, okay? It's a pretty big enhanced risk. There's the moisture over here into the enhanced risk. Okay, there's plenty of moisture into the enhanced risk area right now. This is what we're watching for Thursday. That's Thursday's outlook, okay? That is actually Thursday. That is actually what Thursday is going to be. So I'll be posting a video on Thursday as well. So that is something we have to watch out. I'll be posting on Thursday, I'll talk about the heat wave next here in a minute. So we're going to be going, we're going to stay on this, so we're going to go into deeper detail, okay? There's plenty of moisture and humidity. It's going to be really hot out there. It's going to be 90, 94, 97 degrees wise temperatures, okay? There's also a low off the coast that is just still there. And it could bring us rain, okay? It could get some rain from it, but I really think we could see some severe weather. We don't know yet, but if we get that humidity to go up, I think it's going to go up by the end of the week. Because if it's going to rain, like thunderstorms like that, the humidity is going to have to go up. Like, it's going to have to. It's actually going to have to go up a little bit to see some storms. But there is plenty of juice out there. Plenty of it, okay? Plenty of juice out there for severe weather to happen, okay? Plenty of moisture. It's going to feel real muggy out there and high here. And it extends all the way up to, like, Minnesota again, okay? This risk includes... The enhanced risk includes Minnesota, Grand Forks, Fargo, Sioux Falls, Iowa, Norfolk, Omaha, Lincoln. Areas in the slight risk includes Des Moines, Iowa. Okay, Iowa's in this, okay? Iowa is in part of this, okay? Iowa is in 3 risk. One part of Iowa is in a marginal, another part's in a slight, and another part of Iowa is an enhanced risk. So there's going to be 3 risks in one state, okay? So where that marginal risk is, it could be in another slight risk down here, okay? That dry line, okay? This could be a very big moderate risk. We're going to be watching this very closely. Very, very closely. This day, we are watching out. So there's going to be plenty of moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico. Plenty of moisture, okay? Plenty of it, okay? Plenty of moisture, alright? Very plenty, okay? So we are checking out the heat now. We're checking out how hot. Look at them are storms, okay? Them are storms today, okay? We're checking out how hot. Look at this. See them are storms. Look at that. They're actual storms, okay? Look at this. This is an ongoing thing into May, okay? Look at this. This is going to set up a very big... We're going to have to watch later in the May. So we're going to talk about that in Thursday's video, okay? We are going to watch that area right there, okay? That's where I think the next severe weather threat's going to be. Alright, along that. See that line of thunderstorms there? That develops? Look at this. The temperatures along that line, okay? They're going... Look at that. See that? See, look. Guess what's very unusual? Look at this. We could see 30s up here in May. What in the world's going on here? Like, what in the... We could see 30s in May. How? I don't understand that. I really don't. I really don't understand how we can see that in May. Okay, this is where we've been in an above average pattern. Okay, we're checking out the 850 anomaly. This is where we are definitely in above outer pattern, basically. But then that severe weather just goes. But see, there's that. Oh, that's a significant cooldown right there. That is unusual for me. Okay, that 30's up there. 30's. Okay, that's unusual. But look, ahead of that line is what a line of thunderstorms is going to look at that. Okay, the row of humidity. Okay, look at that. Just look. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. So this is a very severe weather video. There's that low pressure system. Look at that. That's looking crazy looking low pressure. Look at that. Look at these thunderstorms, guys. That is explosive. Okay, let's check out today. Okay. Look at them. Them are just explosive. Look at them. That's along that dry line. Each day, we have the potential to see it. Look. So we can see this area right here. So we can see these storms that blow up along here. But we are definitely going back here for more. So make sure you guys like and subscribe to another YouTube video. YouTube, please stop shutting off my comments. I'm going to put a more mature video setting because I'm 17. So stop turning off my comments, guys. Please. That's all I got to say. Because I made it public so people can comment. Not just... I don't mind getting hate comments either. But just make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos are coming out soon. I will be talking about the rest of May on Friday. Okay, like when I come home Friday, before I go to whatever I gotta go to Friday, I gotta check out the forecast for the rest of May. And so I can't post tomorrow, so just letting y'all folks know that I will not be posting tomorrow. I know why, because my parents take my phone off of me, and this is why I do my videos. Okay, this is where I keep an eye on moisture. There's a bunch of humidity going up. Okay, this is where that severe weather threat's going to take place. Okay. This is where it's going to take place. Okay, there's that tilted. Look, there's that. Okay, there's a... Yeah, there's a low off the coast that could hit us. Look at that. There's that low off the coast that could bring a little bit of cooler air in. But we're going to get back into a pattern where... But it's going to... I think... See that area? That's a line of thunderstorms. If you look at it, there's that... See that little line-looking thing? That could be... There's thunderstorms ahead of it, okay? There's that potential there. Like severe weather. But look at that. We get into another ridge. Okay, look at that. Then this one. Look at the dip in that jet stream. That's cold. That is unusual, okay? That is just outright unusual for me. Like, 30s... You know what that... But this one's bringing 30s. Like, upper 30s up into Michigan. That's weird. That is very unusual for me. I'm hoping that does not occur. Let's see what's different about the CMC model. Okay, the CMC model has to show something less colder than that. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Doesn't show getting that warm either. Let's see if it just brings... Oh my gosh. Yeah, it brings 40s in May 20. What's going on here? Yep. Tell me about it. Tell me what's wrong with this picture. I don't know. Getting cold, but we're just watching this severe weather take place. We are definitely watching this area for severe weather. And we're going to go back to here. I've seen this before. Okay, let's go back to... Let's stay... Let's get this. Let's get that hand out of there. I don't want that hand in my video. See that cape? It just goes all the way up north. Look at that. Let's play it. See? It's going too fast. I gotta slow her down. See, watch the cape go. Look at that. See, there it goes very slowly. See, that cape's gonna rise and all that. Okay. Let's stop it now. See that cape? It just rises up. Watch. Look at that. It just goes up. All the way up to Des Moines. Okay, this is in Iowa. Okay, this is no joke. Stay subscribed. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel. More videos coming out.